So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for those who don't know me, my name is Michael and I am a professional trader in the field of forex and binary options. So today, my friends, I would like to show you one more cool strategy for the binary options market. And before doing this, don't forget to check the cool link in my description where you can find access to my private Telegram channel. Here you'll find lots of useful information such as daily trading signals, daily analytics, my personal advices, and the most important thing is that if you write me a private message in the Telegram, you can receive access to my VIP channel. Yes guys, you can become a member of my dream team, and here guys you can participate in my daily online trading sessions and start earning and work together with me. So guys, let's stop talking right now and let's proceed to our trading activity for today. So my dear friends, what do you have now? What do you have now? We have four currency pairs: USD BRL, AUD GPI, Euro USD, and USD INR. As always, we're going to use only short time periods of just 1 minute, and we're going to invest the whole amount of our deposit in each investment, so that we can save our time and enlarge our deposit as fast as possible. So our current deposit is $12. We have opened the first trade in the sell position. Today we're using two indicators, MACD and ZigZag indicator. Now let's see what can we receive from the first trade. The first trade was opened according to MACD indicator. For those who don't know how it works, there are two lines, green one and the red one. If the green line is above the red one, it means for us that the price will go up. If the green line is below the red one, it means for us that the price will go down. Everything is very simple. So you just need to look after the green line. Now the green line is below the red one, and for us it means that the price will go down. So the first trade was draw. I'm sorry. So the first trade was draw. Anyway, we should open one more time the same kind of trade, sell position, because anyway the price will go down. I'm sure 100% in my actions. That's why we need to open it once again. So we are doing this, and let's see, now we should get our money anyway. Anyway, we will do this. Anyway, we will do this. So while we are waiting for our money, I have reduced our time period to 30 seconds. And by the way, we have already changed our investment to $22. Now let's think what we should do next, because this trade was profitable. Now let's focus on the next one. So here guys, the situation is very clear. It was upgoing channel. However, now price has achieved strong resistance level, and from now it's highly likely that the price will go down, because from the first attempt it will be quite hard for the price to overcome the resistance level, and the first attempt will be highly likely unsuccessful. So that's why now price is going down. This is a very short-term correction. We opened sell position and we got our money. Everything was very clear and simple. Now let's go further. Let's open next position. Let's open USD INR currency pair. So what do we have here? What do we have here? Let's look. Let's just look and think. So here guys, according to the MACD indicator, the green line is above. The green line is above the red one. For us, that means that the price will go up. So that's why we have opened buy position here. and now we will get our money anyway. So let's wait a little bit for this. Let's wait, my friends. Okay, guys, so we got it. We got more money on our account. That's cool. That's fine. Let's continue. Okay, guys, so here we have, so what do we have? We have green line below the red one in the MACD indicator. For us, it means that the price will go down. That's why we open sell position. And now we are waiting for the profits. Everything is very, very simple here. By the way, we have invested $80 in this trade. Okay, guys, that's it. One more profitable trade. Let's continue. So the situation is very clear. Also, we are observing the upgoing channel, and we just opened the position in continuation to this current movement, to the upgoing current movement. So that's why we have opened this buy position. And now, as always, we are waiting for our money to receive it in our pockets. Everything is very clear. Okay, guys, fantastic. Perfectly done. Now we have $292 in our account, in our balance. So here you can observe that at the bottom of the screen on the chart you can see the level of support. The price has not overcome it from the first attempt. That's why now it's highly likely that the second attempt will be unsuccessful also, and according to that we have opened buy position here. So yes, that's it. Now we are waiting just for the results of it. So we have opened AUD GPI currency pair. Now I have shown you that the price has reached a strong level of resistance, and from this point it's highly likely that the price will go down and short-term correction will happen. So that's why we opened sell position here. Let's just wait now for the money. You know, guys, what trading is? The trading is an amazing opportunity for you to change your life towards the best future, because when I started I hardly had, I don't know, $100 in my pocket during 1 week, and that was very tough, you know. Now I can make from $20 within just 5 minutes, even less, $1,000, you know, $1,000 just within 5 minutes from $22. So this is real work. This is what I love, and I sacrificed around 7 years of my life to this, and I got results, you know. I got results. I got millions of dollars on this, and I understand that I can pay for the future, not only myself or my own future, but for the future of my wife, my children's. I don't have wife yet. I think I will have it a bit later. But I can pay for beaches. I can pay for cool foods. I can pay for cool cars, slots, yachts, brand clothes, watches, jewelries, everything I want, travels. And if someone told me 7 years ago that I would have all of this, I would be very surprised, honestly. But I always had a dream, and I knew what I should do for this dream, and I did it, and now I have all of this. And now I'm giving you that chance. I'm giving you chance to get all of this for free, all this knowledge. Because when I started, no one told me that, look, I can help you. There were some people this was fraud. They just told me, give me money, I will give you from this money $2 million, and that's it. So sometimes I gave money, my last money, I lost them, and that was awful. I decided that when I become rich, when I become millionaire in this business, in this binary options, in the trading, I will do everything to share my knowledge with people for free, because I don't want the same situation that occurred with me. I don't want it to happen with anyone else. I just want you to understand that I'm giving all of my knowledge for you really for free, not because I want to sell you something, not because I want to pursue doing something that is financially interesting for me. No, I do this because I really want to help people. This is my character, this is my lifestyle. I want people to be happy, I want to help people, I want to save people, I like charity and etc. That's why I'm doing this. So once again, guys, your cool door to the best future is in the description to this video. So just open it, just open your Telegram channel, my Telegram channel, use the link here, and let's work together. Let's start communicating. I will help you with everything. You will get this money, you will get this life. Everyone can do this. Okay, if you are stupid as fuck, and if you don't know how to clean your ass after you poop in the toilet, okay, fine, you wouldn't do this. But if you're a normal guy, of course you will do this. Of course you will do this. There's no other chance except you can do this. So guys, use the link, be in my Telegram channel, write me messages, be in my VIP channel, and we will earn together, we will work together, and I promise you that very soon you will become a rich man, really. So guys, here, while we were talking, I was trading. Okay, now what do we have? We have a quite good deposit right now. We have opened 2 buy positions in the continuation to the current upgoing trend. Yes, of course, these positions were profitable. Our current deposit has been upgraded from $1,000 to approximately $5,000. And what do we have now? What should we do next? Of course, find one more trade. We'll find one more good option, one more good entry point. So here, guys, the situation is very clear. Price has reached a strong level of resistance. That's why the price will not be able to go any higher. And due to that situation, we have opened 4 sell positions here with an investment of $1,000 each one. So totally it's $4,000 of investment. So fine, guys. Quite the same situation here also. We have strong level of resistance. The price will not be able to go any higher. So it's highly likely that now it will go down. That's why we have opened 7 sell positions with an investment of $1,000 each one. And totally this is $7,000 of investment. Woo! Nice one, guys. That's what I love. That's what I love. That's what I love, really love. And that's what I love, really love. No. $14,000, guys. 14,000. Just look at this shit. $14,000. Oh my God, what I'm doing, bitch. Woo! So guys, I've just opened 9 sell positions with investment of $1,000 each one. Why I decided to do this? Everything is very clear. We can see head and shoulders graphic here, head and shoulders pattern on this chart. Left shoulder and head are already formed. Now we can see the formation of the right shoulder, and here it's clear that the price will go down here a little bit. So for us, it's 100% sure that the price will go down. That's why we have opened all 9 positions with an investment of $1,000 each one. Yes, it's quite a big sum, but it's really cool for us. It's really cool. That's it, my friends. That's it. So guys, fantastic, amazing. It's really cool. So here, guys, I think we should continue. Opening sell positions here. Maybe we will get some more. Let's check. Let's just check. So no, guys. Oh shit. Fine. So we lost 3,000. But all in all, let's continue. Let's continue this movement. The price will anyway go down. So that's why we have opened more sell positions. 7 positions. You know, sometimes in the trading, I have told you this in previous videos, there are some situations when you can make not a mistake, when the price can trick you. When you are sure in what you're doing, like now, just look at this, oh my god, we got all this. So we were sure in what we were doing, that the price will go down. However, you open position, something goes wrong. At the moment, price tricks you, chart tricks you, you lose your money and you start thinking that you were not right and you were stupid or something like this. That's not good at all. You just need to be focused, you just need to be sure in what you are doing and to continue open positions in the same direction because you are sure in what you are doing. And only this attitude will bring you money. So yes, once again we are opening the same chart and we are continuing to open the same kind of positions. So we open $7,000 more in the sell position. So yes. So we lost 3,000, however, from the second trade, we get back our money with a profit, and now we are continuing to open the same kind of positions to receive more profits, and to finally be in plus. Yes, guys, that's it. That's what I told you. We were focused, we were stay tuned, and that's why we got all this money on our account right now. So now, as you can see, the situation is changing. The chart is reversing and the price is reversing also. That's why now it will highly likely go up, and according to this we have opened 7 buy positions now, not sell but buy positions, and let's look what they're going to bring to us. Woo! Perfectly done, my friends. Oh, fuck. 22,000, guys. 22,000. So we have already earned, oh my god. We have already earned 1,000%. We have opened more buy positions, more guys, because we are continuing to trade in the same direction. Just look, on one currency pair, on one chart, we have just earned so much money. Oh my god, 29,000 bits. Oh shit, 29,000 just from $22 in the very beginning. This is more than 1,000% in one trading session. That's amazing. That's really cool, guys. That's what I'm telling you about the Forex, about the binary options. This is real work. This is real life. And if you want to have the same life, the same amounts of money each day, just subscribe to my Telegram channel. Be with your daddy, and together we will earn all this money. Link for my Telegram channel you can find in the description. Don't waste time. Don't waste your chance. Subscribe to it. Let's be together. Let's be millionaires together. And thank you for your attention. Bye, guys. Bye bye.